Currently on the screen is another view of the Scarborough Live webcam WA. This is available on the swellnet.com website, and welcome to another update on the developing tropical system up there in the Kimberley. Tropical low is steadily intensifying off the West Kimberley coast and is likely to become a tropical cyclone sometime this morning. Now this is the life of 05 so far. And is 05 going to undergo some rapid intensification? The latest track chart from the Tropical Cyclone Warning Centre Perth office provides an interesting update. Now here's the latest upper level divergence. We also have an area of interest which could develop over the weekend, and it's the Christmas Island region. This is the latest wind shear. Sea surface temperature is around the 30-31 Celsius. There's the icon indicating where 05 is located. Force 13 is saying it's a tropical storm. Our position is that it should now be a tropical cyclone. However, there's no mention of a Category 1. When the Bureau upgrades, they're going for a Cat 2 system and to intensify to a Cat 3. Now here's the latest 12-hourly rainfall from the Bureau for the state of WA, and again look at that area in blue, dark blue through to red. The rainfall scale is there on the right hand side of the screen. This is the latest total forecast of rain across the next 8 days. And Nathan has done his first tropical update on this system. It's currently available on our main channel. And we also have a flood watch in place for the Northwest Kimberley rivers, the De Grey River, Pilbara and coastal rivers, Fortescue River and the Sandy Desert catchments. That has been updated or expanded. Here's the latest instability outlook. This is across the next 24 hours. We also have in place a flood warning for the Ord River. We have a strong correction. We have a storm force wind warning for the West Kimberley coast, a gale warning for the Pilbara coast east, a strong wind warning for the Pilbara coast west, Nigaloo, Gascoyne, Geraldton, Albany, Esperance, Ikuna coast. This is the latest storm probability. So repeating, storm force wind warning is now in place over there on the West Kimberley coastal region, and to its south, the Pilbara coast, a gale warning. Now this is a close look at the next 24 hours. This is the wind probability GFS model available on the BSCH website. These are in 3 hourly images, and the wind strength value is the bottom of the screen, left hand side, and you can definitely see where the strength of the system is going to be. We also have a fire weather warning for the Exmouth Gulf Coast, Gascoyne Coast, the Echuca fire weather districts. We also have one for the East Pilbara Coast, Exmouth Gulf Coast, Gascoyne Coast, Echuca fire weather districts. Now this is the precipitation values, and again the information's at the bottom of the screen, and as mentioned 3 hourly periods. So rainfall is going to be significant. And the Bureau maintains its position across the next 3 days. The rainfalls totals between 50 to 150 millimetres. Isolated heavier falls of 150 to 300 millimetres. Here's one from the Pivotal Weather website. This is the total precipitable water, and it's in inches. Scale, bottom of the screen. Force 13 AU will continue to bring the latest information as soon as possible. Now we have a look at the Himawari 8 rainbow satellite view, and you can definitely see the white that it represents the cooling of the cloud tops due to heavy rainfall over the past several weeks associated with ex-tropical cyclone Hilda, along with the normal wet season conditions. Catchments in the region are already relatively wet. This is pressure wind in knots, and it looks like this model is running with a possible tropical cyclone, which will probably be the Christmas Island system. Well, we'll see what happens over the weekend, although the central pressure is 1008 dropping at 1006. And how the picture continues to develop. Here's the latest tropical cyclone formation probability guide. I was talking to Nathan earlier, and we could see a system up there in the South China Sea. However, there is one in Mauritius, which is Invest 97S, and we still have ex-tropical cyclone Irving on the radar. However, there is a risk of a severe tropical cyclone impacting the Pilbara or Far West Kimberley coast during Friday or early on Saturday. Warning zone is Cape Leveque to Pardue Roadhouse, including Broome, as well as remaining inland parts of the far western Kimberley. Watch is in place for the Pardue Roadhouse to Rim Creek, Port Hedland, inland parts of the northeast Pilbara, including Marble Bar and Telfer. Location of the tropical low. Sustained winds near the centre of 55 kilometres per hour with wind gusts to 85 kilometres an hour. There's no doubt that will change. And the location, 45 kilometres within 16.7 degrees south, 121.8 degrees east, estimated to be 145 kilometres north-north-west of Broome, 125 kilometres west-south-west of Cape Leveque. An apology for the pronunciations. And 05 is tracking southwest, 9 kilometres per hour, and as mentioned, there's uncertainty in the forecast track. Gales with gusts to 100 kilometres per hour may develop in coastal parts including Broome during Thursday morning. Here's the latest Joint Typhoon Warning Centre track chart. And could this system be a severe weather system impacting Perth? And when I look at this particular track, I cast my mind back to ex-tropical cyclone Oswald. That was up there in the Gulf West, the Gulf of Carpentaria, and tracked down right down into the southeast Queensland over the New South Wales northern border as a deep low. Now here's some tracks on this developing tropical system, and this information is available on the Tropical Tidbits website. And here's the latest from Nathan. This is an updated version of how to get in contact with us.
You can follow Force 13's outlets, the website force13.com, which has had a revamp and is still under reconstruction, but take a look. Also YouTube, of course, if you haven't subscribed, that might be a good idea. Visit Force 13. We're also on Facebook under the same name, of course, and you can like us on there, and you can also follow us on Twitter. Search Force 13, all in text for those. You can also add Force 13 on Skype or my personal account on Discord, Fool13, at extension 9094.